Hi everyone, this is my video about how I got the Uno button to disable after 2.5 seconds consistently. So first I made this testing class and it's fairly simple, so let's run it. So here's this guy. If I click it, it enables Uno. Oh, I had to click it in 2.5 seconds or else it's disabled. So I click it, see was clicked, nothing bad happened. And I can do this constantly. I click this button, it enables it. It wasn't clicked in 2.5 seconds, disabled. Click it, disabled. 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1. Okay, there. Click it, disable. There. So that's it for that. Let's explain how I did it. So here you can see this is a public class called main2 and it extends application. Okay, but then here we have a second class called critical region. And then here we have a third class called unique thread. Let's take a look at the main class. In main, all it does is launch. So the first thing it launches is start. It creates a new button and it's called Uno. So this is the Uno button. And if it's clicked, we'll see what happens later. And then here we have the button called A. And then this is the text. And when it's clicked, C is enabled. We'll see what happens with these later. Finally, we started critical region. We called critical region. It's a static field. And then a unique thread is started. So let's see what the unique thread does. When the unique thread is run, it's constantly calling this action method on this private field, private static field. So what does the critical region action do? Here we have the action method. So when unique thread starts, ready is already false. So what will happen? The unique thread, of course, will just wait. It's just waiting, and it's waiting for A to be clicked, because when A is clicked, ready is changed to become true, and critical region is told to stop waiting. So let's see, this becomes true, this is notified, so it exits the while loop, and then it sleeps for 2.5 seconds. So let's say you click the Uno button. So let's see what happens. When the Uno button is clicked, and it's called C, when the Uno button is clicked, ready is changed to false. The Uno button is disabled, and the other button, which is this guy, is enabled. But look at this. So ready is changed to false. Now, once the 2.5 seconds is up, let's check if ready is true now or if it's false. If it's false, this doesn't happen. But if it's still true, which means that the Uno button was not clicked within 2.5 seconds, we'll disable C, enable, and print out in consequence. Now C is disabled, A is enabled, and then change ready is in fact changed back to false. So the Uno button is disabled, the other button is enabled, and the ready field is changed to false. So let's see how that works again. If I click this, basically changes get ready to true, and it notifies the unique thread to stop waiting. So enable, disable, I click it within the 2.5 seconds, get ready is now false. But if I don't, ready is still true, the Uno button is disabled, A is enabled, that's what it means, set disabled to false. So set disabled to false, it is not disabled, so it's enabled, and then change ready is false again. So while this code works, I don't know if it's good practice to have, you know, a class here and then a class here and then a class here. I imagine there is a better way to do this, but this seems to work.